talk about my experience about airborne. So let's get it.
In the airborne training operation, they have the 6 station, but I'm gonna tell you the station 7. In the station 7 is not included in 6 station because the station 7 is the experience about jump from the airplane. In the third jump, I jump with 5 equipment and my helmet. My helmet, the chip step, is got crashed, so I almost lost my helmet, but I got awareness, so I can resist this situation by I pulled rope that hang a helmet, so my helmet wouldn't get away from me, and I jump with the helmet that get crashed. And then my left hand control parachute and my right hand hide the rope and helmet together, so it's very hard situation to do. About 40 foot I finish everything, so I get in position so I can get down peaceful. If you go to airborne, be aware that anything is possible. Remain vigilant at all time. Thank you for listening.